About $250,000 a year.
Can you earn $250,000 with content creation?
$1 million.
If you ever wonder how you can turn your passion into a whopping $250,000, then I'll show you in a moment. But before then, ensure you subscribe and hit the like button, because this video is for anyone who is passionate about content creation. Either you're a YouTuber or you are on Facebook or a TikToker, whatever you do at all, this is everything you need to know. You might have been wondering that $250,000 is a lot of money, but there are strategies I will be dishing out to you right in this video that no one else have ever shown you on YouTube or on anywhere at all. So make sure you stick to the end. First and foremost, you need to understand your audience. Your content needs to hit the right chord with your viewers. I'm talking about creating stuff that not only resonates but leaves an impact. Dive into the minds of your audience, their needs, preferences, and even pain points. Now let's set some goals. Make them specific, measurable, and achievable. Whether it's lead generation, boosting sales, creating brand buzz, or retaining customers, having clear objective is your roadmap to success. Keyword research is usually underrated. However, it is the unsung hero of content creation. Unearth topics and keywords that your audience is searching for. This will not only get you noticed, but ensures that your content ranks high on those search engines, bringing in organic traffic through wherever it is coming from, either through Google search or YouTube search. Just make sure that your content is well optimized for search engine. And now the most interesting part, creating a killer content. It's not just about the quantity, it's about delivering value, solutions, education, entertainment. Your content should be like a one-stop shop. Variety is like a spice of life, right? Mix it up with blogs, videos, infographics, podcasts, you name it. Keep your audience hooked by serving them different flavors of content. Now let's talk about how you can actually get your content to a wider audience. Try as much as possible to share your content far and wide. Social media, email marketing, SEO optimization. Building a strong online presence is key to reaching out to many people. So don't just be on one social media like YouTube. Try as much as possible to be available on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and any other social media that might be working in your geographical location. Now let's talk money. I can see it raining. Here is the magical part, the monetization part. First up, we have advertising. Apart from getting paid for ad revenues on YouTube and also on Facebook, we also have some things like you selling merchandise and also advertising affiliate links. And also you can actually apply for brand deals. And if you have been thinking about ways you can actually hit a big brand deal, I've actually made a video about it. It just lied in above. You can click on it, or probably you can check the link right in the description below or the pinned comment below. It will definitely be waiting for you there. Exclusive content is the VIP ticket, and guess what? That's exactly where the money comes in. Imagine you leveraging the power of activating the membership feature of YouTube. Imagine people signing up for your membership program and getting paid every single month. By the end of the day, you are cashing out big time, because you might have been having like 100 people, 1,000 people, depending on how many members you actually have, who are actually paying you as much as $5, $10 per month. Now all those money gathered together is enough to make a fortune. Now let's talk business. If you've got products or services, use your content to drive traffic to your e-commerce site, showcase what you've got, educate your customers, and watch those purchases rolling in. Now I will advise you in this way. Whatever you are selling, make sure it's related to your niche. For instance, your niche cannot be about travels and you are selling groceries. It doesn't make any sense. Try as much as possible to relate with it so that you'll be able to educate your audience about your product and also educate them about whatever you are also dishing out, which is your content. Next on the list is for you to partner up. What am I talking about? Try as much as possible to collaborate with people. Collaborate with brands for sponsored content that aligns with your niche. It's a win-win situation. They get exposure, you get a revenue. Just like that, you're making a lot. And guess what?
About 90% is sponsorships, affiliates.
Comes from brand deals. Try as much as possible to make sell. Sell, sell, sell. This is very, very important. There's nothing you can do about it. Whether it's digital products, courses, ebooks, or Mac, turn your content into a marketplace. Your audience loves your content. Why not give them a piece of it? Now let's talk about my favorite, affiliate marketing, the silent money maker. If you want to make money in this line, in this industry, in this field, As far as you are a content creator, if you don't have affiliate marketing as your backbone, then you are not ready, because there are affiliate programs out there that are ready to make tons of money for you. Even as a person that was not monetized, when I was not monetized yet, I was actually making a lot of money through affiliate marketing like Picktree, Amazon KDP, and even Amazon itself, and some other affiliate marketing. Even Picktree, I made $26 within 1 hour of joining Picktree affiliate, and by then I was just having like 4,600 subscribers. So this is something that's very, very beautiful that you can actually go for. Promote other companies' products through your content and earn commission for every single sale. Easy peasy. You need a best friend that can go a long way with you without betraying you. Then you need to grab analytics. That's the best friend you can have right now. Track your content performance, traffic, conversions, engagement, and revenue. It's like having a GPS for success. Become a host events, and get paid. Webinars, workshops, virtual extravaganzas. If it's valuable and informative, people will pay for it. No doubt about it. Now let's talk about A/B testing. You might have been hearing about it, but you've not tried it before. And this is something that many people have actually tried, which have actually turned around their YouTube channel or their Facebook account or any kind of content social media you are at all. Experimenting with different formats will go a long way for you. Headlines, CTAs, and monetization strategies. Find out what clicks with your audience and refine your approach. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and patience and consistency is the key for you to actually maintain a stable stream of income in this industry. Provide value, build trust, and the revenue will start chasing you. Now let me show you the exact secret ingredients that can actually land you a big brand deal. Even if you have a low or zero subscriber, no matter your level as a content creator, you will definitely get a big brand deal. Now this video that just popped up on the screen will show you every step of the way, because I have actually break it down for you. It's not for you to click on it and devour it. Keep hustling, keep creating, and most importantly, keep the passion alive. Ensure you hit the subscribe button and also click the like button. Ensure you share this video for anybody who might be interested in it at all. Whatever you do, never stop making money.